Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to install Linux on Windows 11 with WSL. So let's understand what is WSL. WSL is a feature that provides an environment to run Linux in Windows system. So let's see how to install WSL first. Search here feature. Open this and check out two things here. First one is virtual machine platform and the second round is Windows subsystem of for Linux. You can see here, yes, and press OK. Uh, I already installed, so it doesn't see anything here. But you can install first time. You have to restart your system. After that, we go to install Ubuntu. Open Microsoft Store. Search here Ubuntu. I already installed it, so it's so open. When you install first time, you can see get here. So after installing, you can open it. So you can see Ubuntu is working successfully here, and all Linux command you can write and check it. It's working properly. And if you want to see your WSL is working properly or not, you can open CMD and check here WSL status. You can see here default version is 2 already installed here. Uh, if you want to update your WSL, you just simple write the command update. So first is check for update and so here. I already installed the latest version of WSL in my system, so it's so like that. So this is how to install Linux for using WSL. And if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe it and like it. Thank you.